do believe that since my channel first started, I have been coming at you every single quarter with FABFITFUN unboxing. It feels like it's been since my channel first started. It was way before FABFITFUN even knew I existed. And today I am partnering with FABFITFUN to bring you their just released winter box. We're gonna unbox it together today. Nobody's videos are the same anymore. I felt like every time I watched FABFITFUN unboxings, I kind of knew what I was gonna get from each video. Customization is now something that FABFITFUN is doing. Now everybody gets something a little bit different in their boxes, so I feel like I discover something new with everybody's videos, which I think is pretty cool. So you're gonna see what's in my particular box today. You may notice that I'm not wearing any eye makeup today. I figured we would just keep this super casual today, and I was being a little bit lazy too, but hey, we're all friends here and you've seen me with a lot less makeup on than this. So if you are not familiar with FABFITFUN, FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, and it is full of full-sized beauty, wellness, lifestyle, fitness, and fashion items. The box is $49.99, but worth well over $200. So if you are in the United States, Canada, or the UK, and you are interested in getting your first box, you can get $10 off of your first box with my code STEPH. Everything will be linked down below in the description box for you, as well as a link to click through. I don't think I've ever told you this before, but I purchased a FABFITFUN box with my own money. I purchased it. FABFITFUN does send me one, but I get 2 boxes every month. One that I pay for, one that FABFITFUN sends me. I give one away, and I always get one before the other that I film with, and I'm not sure which one this is. So your guess is as good as mine. Each box comes with a magazine in it that's got good tidbits, and it also tells what's in each box. This lets me tell you the value of the items that I'm showing you. So inside this box, if you're in the market for a mattress, Purple is giving you a $100 code, which is pretty cool. And it looks like this month, the charity that they're working with is the Women's Alzheimer's Movement, and they tell more about this in the magazine. Most of the brands that they put in these boxes are founded by women. I just think that's pretty great. So here's what we have in the box. I have not opened it yet. The first item that I saw on top is actually an item that can be customized by anyone who receives the box. There's another level of customization that can only be customized by select members who purchase their boxes with the yearly subscription. I do have that extra level of customization. I like it. It's worth it to me because I know I'm gonna stick with it. The first product that I saw in the top of the box is this Adore bracelet. I like that it's an uneven circle, and it's got the one little stone. Let's see what it says. It is an Adore by Swarovski organic circle bracelet in rose gold. Each bracelet features an irregular circle design, a rose gold plated chain, and a shining Swarovski crystal. Talk today, Stephanie. I swear I've been like this all day. The value is $39. So you could choose between this, some Baddington silk lashes, a Karuna Face for All face and eye mask set, or some Rhodial, I don't know how to say that, soft focus glow drops. And I chose the bracelet. I just thought that it was so cute and dainty. That is an item, again, that could be customized by anyone who gets the box. The next item that I see on top is something that everyone receives in their box. This is the Cuccio Somatology Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This sounds kind of cool, actually. Calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamin B5, and shea butter. And it retails for $39.95. Let's smell this. It's got a little bit of an herbal scent to it, but it's pretty mild, actually. I think this would be a nice hand wash. It's not offensive at all. I don't like things that are really, really strongly scented that I'm washing my hands with. It says it gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin. So yeah, I do like this, and I'm always looking for good hand soaps for my kitchen and my guest bath. So I like that. Okay, let's see what's next. The next item is also in everyone's box. This is Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees and to leave hair soft and conditioned, and it retails for $23. Let's see if we can open this somewhat easily. Is there no perforation on this? There's not. Why would you package something without putting a perf on it? Oh my God, I need scissors. Okay, so I don't know if this is Drybar that packaged it like this or if this is FABFITFUN, but whoever it is, you need to put perforation on your packaging to make it easier to open. All right, I'm gonna spray this. We'll see what it smells like. I'll spray this on the back of my hand and just condition the back of my hand really quickly. We'll see how this goes. This also has UV blockers in it, which is pretty cool. I like the way it smells. Yeah, it's got a nice lightweight minty smell, but it's not too strong. Always love a good detangler and a good heat protectant. So I will be using that. And I have not tried a ton of Drybar products. If you have and you like them, let me know down below what I need to try. Or if you know of another heat protectant that you like a lot. I'm always looking for really good ones. I've tried the Briogeo that I love and Kerastase. So far, those are the two that I really like the most, but I'm open to trying others. This next item was an item that I was able to select from being a select member. So this is for those yearly subscribers. You could choose between a Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette, a LXMI Pure Nilitica Melt. What's Nilitica? A balm to oil. Okay, that's what that is. Bouret Sidekick Crossbody Bag, or a Paper Source 12-month Rose Floral Planner. And if you know me, you know that I chose the planner. Even though I already have a planner for next year, I just thought this would be good either to give as a gift or to use for another type of planning, because I have a lot of things going on at once. And this is a thinner one than the one that I have going, so I kind of want to see what this is all about. This is really, really pretty. 2020. Let's open this up. It does flip all the way back. There's some notes in the front. It is weekly and it is a vertical layout. So if you like a vertical layout, you might like this planner. It seems like a nice quality, and if you need an extra planner or a planner at all, this would be good. And I do believe that customization is still open right now. So if you sign up today, you might still be able to customize. It's worth checking out if you are looking into signing up for FABFITFUN. Oh, and that was worth $27.95. The next item is in everyone's box. This is the Makeup Eraser. This removes everything from waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush with just water, and it's worth $20. Can I tell you how much? My 14-year-old daughter loves this thing. She is in dance and wears the mascara and the red lip tensity type lip products because it can't move all night long. And this is what she uses. So this is really a super soft microfiber towel that removes all of your makeup with just water. If you don't like the waste of makeup wipes, this is a pretty cool product. This would be a great stocking stuffer, actually. I do use some of the things in this box as gifts because they make great gifts, you know? Okay, I just saw a product in here that I customized that I'm super excited about. I'll save that for in a minute. The next one I see here is one that all members could customize. You could choose between a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, an Unhide Lil Marshmallow, which is a blanket, the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, or this Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel ceramic candle, which has notes of aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom, mimosa, and driftwood. I have more blankets than I know what to do with. I didn't need any more shampoo and conditioner, and I did not need any more skincare. So this candle was actually perfect for me, and this would be a great gifting candle as well. It's got this beautiful ceramic casing, and I do believe that's going to be a great scent. It's not overpowering. The notes I really, really enjoy. So I'm excited about burning this and displaying it as well. This is substantial. It's got some weight to it. Wait, there was one more thing you could choose from that I just completely missed because most things have been just 4 items. A Rebecca Minkoff marbled beanie and arm warmer set. I thought it was really cute, and I think that had the most dollar amount of anything. Actually, my candle had the least. I'm just not into getting things that I don't need, even if they do have more monetary value, and I just didn't need any of the other products. This next item was a customization item for select members. You could choose between Ahava bath salts, a Frank body coffee scrub, or the Veramona color switch. I do have a color switch of my own, but I needed another one. This is a product that allows you to clean the pigment off of your eyeshadow brushes while you're working, so you don't have to wet your brushes. It's a really great product to have at your makeup table. I guess I can finish unwrapping this. But I will use this, and then I'll flip it over and use the other side before I wash it. And I just wanted to have another one as backup just because I am that lazy. This is worth $16.99, And I forgot to tell you guys what the candle was worth. I think it was, yeah, $48, that Jonathan Adler candle. The last item in this box was something I customized. This was something anyone could choose from. You could choose between Lashes MD eyelash conditioner, an Erno Laszlo pore cleansing clay mask, or a Bando Bluetooth shower speaker, a floral one, which was actually pretty cute. But I chose the PJ Salvage fur trim cable slippers, and their value is $45. How cute are these? I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them or give them as a gift. I wear a 7.5 shoe, small medium works for these, which I figured it would. These are so cute, and look at how cute this label is on here. They don't feel super cushy just feeling them right now, but I'm gonna walk around in them a little bit and then I'll report back on the screen how I feel about them when I edit, if I decide to keep them. If I'm giving them as a gift, I really don't want to stick my feet in them, you know? So the total value of my particular box, customized the way I customized it, is $259.89, which is well over $49.99 that I paid for this particular box. And what I always like to do is let you know if the items that I intend to use or gift are worth more than the $49, because then that tells me that I actually got the value out of my box. So let's do that really quickly, because I think that is a big deal. I am looking around and realizing everything that I customized or would have received anyway, I am going to use. So I'm gonna get the full value. And sometimes that doesn't happen with boxes, but it's always been more than the $49.99. And I've gotten to discover some new brands along the way. I'm extremely happy that I have a purpose for everything in my winter box. I never know how that's gonna turn out. Let me know if you subscribe or plan to subscribe to FABFITFUN. If you keep all your items, do you gift some of them to other people? How do you work your FABFITFUN box? And if you got the winter box, I'd love to know what selections you picked that were a little bit different from mine. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my box. And don't forget that if you are going to subscribe for the first time, use my code STEPH down below and get $10 off your first box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.